The horse racing track in Warsaw's Służewiec district boasts over 85 years of tradition, the largest facility of its kind in Poland, annually hosting competitors and horses of the highest world standard. The 2025 season began on April 27th and included 46 racing days and over 370 races. The prize pool reached 10 million Polish zlotys, a record sum. Television and internet broadcasts, as well as Totalizator Sportowi's online betting, are an additional responsibility resting with the horse racing judges. Judges ensure order, compliance with regulations, fairness, and quick, consistent, and unambiguous decisions. Who won? It's a significant responsibility. A new and very helpful tool the referees received this season is the Permanent Video Referee System, commonly known as VAR in football. The new system, under the sole control and supervision of the referees, is incredibly simple to use and efficient. Up to 15 cameras can be connected simultaneously to the system, which records and monitors the horses and jockeys from the moment they enter the track through the start to the finish line. Each lap is recorded synchronously from all cameras, providing incredibly accurate footage for analysis from various angles at every moment of this exciting sporting event. However, not only is this the first permanent refereeing decision support system in Poland to be implemented in equestrian racing disciplines, it is also the world's first version from the manufacturer of these systems, Slomo.TV. This is the premier and revolutionary RVR model. The system, housed in a single 2RU chassis, combines two independent functionalities: the FIFA-certified video referee system and a 16-channel slow-motion replay system for live television broadcasts. At the same time, the operator runs replays on his desktop and monitor, which are then sent to television or online viewers, while the judges analyze the accuracy of the race on a separate desktop and monitor. Everyone works with the same high-quality recordings recorded on the RVR server. Slomo.TV achieved a breakthrough with this version. It leveraged the success of the Aero 3 and Aero 5 systems, and through the new launcher management system, enabled the simultaneous launch of multiple processes, as already mentioned, and numerous other functionalities such as the Game Analyzer, Telestrator, and DMR. Our implementation of this system was also pioneering due to the need for remote operation, the heart of the system. The actual RVR server is located in a separate building from the referees, while the replay operator is in a separate building in the control room. Simultaneously performing two tasks on a single machine saves incredible time, space, and money. There are no multiple servers, no additional PC stations, no expensive licenses purchased periodically, and no team of specialists. It's pure simplicity, and as we know, success always lies in simplicity. The new hybrid server concept itself is a bullseye, utilizing the full potential and experience of the manufacturer and integrator for a client who required exactly this. This time, we were the first to reach the finish line.